இதுல. Hi all, welcome to today's post market report. And if you would have listened to our morning report, and if you are a follower of our regular Zebu Telegram channel, then this fall or this day will never be a surprise to you. So in case if you are looking for where to look for this Telegram channel link, below the description of this video you will find a Telegram channel of our Zebu school where I will be updating my views, and moreover if I had take any position. So what has happened for the day? So in the morning when we have opened the market and we have done our opening market analysis, at that time Nifty were somewhere around, do you remember, like even we said it seems to be like 16,300 to 350 is the key level, and Bank Nifty, even if you remember, 34,650 to 800 is the key level. Okay, so I generally trade with a 2 to 3 days view on Bank Nifty. So even exactly in the morning around 11:45 I was just tweeted, not even tweeted, in our group also I updated like I am selling 34,750 zone to 800 zone with a stop loss of 3500, expecting a target of 34,400, 34,200, max to max 750 to 800. So this is the first target, second target, both done. Okay, if you are really surprised how we are doing this, actually this is very simple. Okay, you just need to follow very common sense technical analysis, and moreover if you can understand option data and analysis, these kind of moves are very simple to trade. And even if you look at social media people and many people who are like shouting long over the weekend and even on the morning of when the market moving, like they will be shouting bye bye, but they will not be able to digest this fact of why the market has come down. So if you follow structurally the patterns of the Nifty on a little higher time frame to lower time frame, and if you can connect the dots of multi time frame analysis, then this will be much easier for you to understand the market, and moreover you can trade it. Because see, I don't trade in futures, I generally trade in spreads. Okay, most of the time in ratios. Okay, so I did a spread and I just monetized, and again if it is not going to go above 34,800 for the next 2 to 3 days, the entire 100% of the spread, because I am doing a credit spread because I am bearish on this level, and moreover my stop loss is very closer, so I do different kind of strategies. So for me now from here on, so where the exactly market is now, so after it has closed it is 34,247 in Bank Nifty. So Nifty in terms of 16,214. Okay, so what I expect is market has already started bottom, so now this forming is done. Okay, so now it has been in this level, so what I expect is it is tend to go in this pattern. Okay, so you can assume that I expect market to go in this. So right now it is in this level, so it can even go like this and come like this, but structurally this is what my expectation is. But let it break this high, okay, then I might be planning my trades accordingly for the newer view. So next 2 to 3 days, this is what I said, I had a plan for the next 2 to 3 days view. And looking at even again, even in the morning I said, whether you are long or short, ensure that you are going to consider the volatility in the key. So key is still, though market has come down, or even when market was up also, that volatility was India VIX was up only, and even the market has fallen from almost this exact level. So if you look at the high, it is somewhere around 810 or 805. So again, if you ask me like how you are trying to catch the bottoms and tops, it is not the idea of bottom and top catching. It is like trying to identify the structure of the chart, okay, with multiple time frame analysis, and moreover with option analysis analyzed together. If you can connect the dot, you can easily find a good risk reward trade-off, because I do not want to find a bottom or top. What I need to find is I need to have a logical reasoning for my short, and where my risk and reward will be favorable to me in case if I initiate my position. This is the key level which I am just targeting. If in case if you wanted to learn about all these things, you can visit our Zebu School Telegram channel, and there you will get all the details of our trainings which we are doing. Otherwise you can just follow for only the views we are sharing. Okay, so that is for the day, and maybe from tomorrow what it can do is again, so market has opened gap up, okay, over the all kind of hype created over the weekend, but it was couldn't able to sustain. So price wise, it is a bearish in nature. And even morning I said when market has opened, the option data was bullish, but over the day now as the price turned bearish, data is also now downwards. So I expect again further low for the next 1 or 2 days. Okay, if today's high is not taken out, again I expect market to drift little lower. So even the Nifty and both the Bank Nifty, this is my view. Again for next 2 days, this was my view. So I actually entered here. Okay, maybe let it form a bottom. Okay, then at that time we will just analyze and see what is best for us. And moreover, remember this is the last week of the monthly expiry. So please bear that in mind and keep that in mind in case if you are having any position. So try to concentrate more on the risk control part of it, because again and again whatever the capital you trade or whatever the idea you trade, you just need to survive in case if you fail. That is the key concept for a successful trader. So I hope you enjoying this watching this video. Thanks for watching. Well, catch you later on the tomorrow's market opening report.